Up to now, Python does what you add code. Today, it talks back. To do that, we use the input function. The input function allows Python to ask questions and wait for your response. Let me show you. Go to waala.dev playground. Let's create a variable name and use the input function to ask question, what is your name? When you run this in Waala's playground, a form pops up, you input your answer, Python stores it and then uses it when you call the variable name. Here is the catch. Everything that comes in from input comes in as text, whether it's number, decimal, text. If you would need to use it as a number, we need to convert it to an integer. For example, let's say we're asking the user, how old are you? If we run this code and we say, I am 12, for example, the system is going to run 12, but let's find out what data type that is. To do that, we have to say print type name, and we close the bracket twice. And if I ask again, how old are you? I say 12. You say the data type is string. Now to convert this to an integer, what do? We had int. To do that, all we need to do is to say name int input. And we had another closing bracket. Now, if we ask how old are you, if we say 12, the data becomes integer. Now that we've converted it to integer, we can run some calculations. For example, we can say new age equals, this should be age, new underscore age equals age plus 5. And then we print new age. Let's say 70, and there we go. Error name is not defined. Okay, where is the name? So yes, so because we changed this to age, we have to change all the variables as well to age. Excellent. Now, if we run our code, we should be fine. Now you see our data type is changed, and now we can run some calculations. Your mission: build a quick intro generator, ask for name, age, favorite food, then print using format on the screen. Try this in Playground, link in my bio. Make Python feel like it's talking to you. This is where coding gets fun. Let's go.